Hello YouTube and welcome to our YouTube channel. If you're new here, please consider subscribing so that we can continue showcasing new villages and towns and cities across the continent of Africa. So this is Gachie area. Gachie is a village in Kiambu County and in the larger Mount Kenya region. Now, the village is very close to Nairobi city. In fact, it's about 7 kilometers from the city center. It is also about 4 kilometers from the United Nations Environmental Program headquarters, UNEP, and also 4 kilometers away from the United States Embassy here in Kenya. Gachie is also surrounded by various leafy suburbs of Nairobi, such as Gigiri. We have Kitisuru, we have Roslyn, and Roka is also another neighboring town. Now, despite its close proximity to the city, Gachie still has a village appeal. I want you to watch the video and see for yourself. You can also leave a comment on your views about the village, or you can also suggest areas you want us to bring in.